The case study of creative industries that I have chosen is SoundCloud. SoundCloud is a social sound platform that provides unique sharing experience with creativity. It allows users to record and share their original sound creations. The founder, Alexander Lindgren, and Eric Waffles are the chief executive officer and chief technical officer, and both of them have sound designer and interaction designer background respectively. Their initial idea to motivate them to exploit musical sharing service through cloud-based technology came from their own discouraging experience of searching and audio sharing on social sites. The company is established in 2007 in Berlin, and now they have four global offices located in London, New York, and Los Angeles during their growth of process period. In this presentation, I'd like to discuss their creative service, the influence of innovation technology, and market valuation of risk-taking so as to understand how these three aspects drive the process of their entrepreneurship to be valuable. SoundCloud create a new service model with regard to the process of audio sharing, whereas business service challenges the traditional orders of music service. More specifically, audiences would no longer become the main groups paying the fees for music-related service. In contrast, the music creators who upload audio files will be asked monthly fees depending on their different on-demands. There are three types of music service they provided: Free, Pro, and Pro Unlimited. The evidence shows their registered users have been growing in consecutive 7 years from 2007. In 2013, it reached 40 million registered users, while with a significant uploading service. In 2014, SoundCloud announced that 175 million unique listeners were actively using on the site per month, and nearly 95% of its users are using the service for free. Why it could be successful in terms of rapid growth of usage. Similarly, SoundCloud is a social platform that provides another way of citizens' interaction by sound, but it can be argued that it in fact explores the opportunity of novelty with initiative action to users. SoundCloud, as a social sound platform, creates the opportunity for users who are able to join the process of creating, sharing, and collaborating by their experience. In this case, it has changed user roles from passive listeners to active creators in the interactive progress by sound. Moreover, artists, musicians, and sound practitioners also bring culturally creative practices to SoundCloud's value-added creativity by its chargeable services. Regarding SoundCloud's entrepreneurship, the innovation of technology in collaboration with other digital platforms and services in the cultural market context, and the growth of financing, all of these factors affect the process of evolution at a social economic level. Henrik Lundberg, who was VP of Platform for SoundCloud, said the uncertainty practice on innovation of technology enables to benefit artists and more consumers. It also shows that innovation of technology is an important part to lead their new idea to come into the reality. It can be seen that technical innovation is also the crucial part to make the new idea become a real product launched in the market and to benefit the specific customers, such as artists, in the context of cultural scope. In addition, the growing trends also impel their labor recruitment of the technical support in their four offices. For example, the offices located in Berlin, New York, and London in their growth of process. Secondly, the collaboration also helps SoundCloud to earn more profit based on sharing of the existing value of service they have created. And it can be found that SoundCloud has been benefited by innovation policy in terms of financing by the patronage of venture capital, and SoundCloud currently results in a $700 million valuation. But the risk of financing still should be taken into consideration in terms of their future creative evolution to contribute more profit on the sector of the economy. In summarize, creativity linked with cultural phenomena is one of the key factors that produces the process of innovation in running a creative entrepreneurial business. And the new value of creative services in turn influences on social and economic level as well. On the other hand, it can be also found that without the transition of economy in digital era, which is from manufacturing-based economy to a service-based economy, creative entrepreneurship can be hardly generated rapidly its value to society. As an interactive social platform, SoundCloud presents its value beyond a platform itself.